Okay, so this video I will show you how to do your Tableau homework. Okay, so the Tableau homework, we're going to use the same data as your Excel homework number 4, which is chapter 11 data file on Canvas. So first, step 0 is to install Tableau to your computer. So you can try this link. I don't know if it will work, but because I'm not a student. But if it does not work, then you can follow the Tableau installation instructions. I have 2 files posted on Canvas as well for PC and Mac users. So then you can install Tableau in your computer. So after you finish that step, you can keep on watching the videos. So what we're gonna do is do the same analysis as Excel homework number 4, but we're gonna use this. We're gonna do this by Tableau. So again, it's visualizing the data. Okay, here's my Tableau, and the first step is to connect Excel, and then set relationships. Okay, so how do we connect? Here is a connect, and then we can, because I'm going to connect to Excel, so you click Excel, and here's my Excel. I already downloaded the data. You need to download the Excel again in your computer as well. So see, we still have the 3 tables here: customers, orders, and stores. And I wanted to set relationship is to drag this table in here. Okay, so the best way to do this is to drag your main table first. So how do I know orders is my main table? Because orders has the foreign keys of the other table, remember? So that's why I will have the main table first, and then drag the customer table. And you can see the link is not set yet. In some version of Tableau, it's a little bit different, and your textbook and also the publisher's video has a different version of Tableau. So depending on what version you have, it could be a little bit different, the interface, but the idea is the same. So we're gonna select a field to connect, to match. We're gonna match on the customer numbers on the 2 table. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm going to drag the store table here, and it's automatically matched. So that's my step 1. So step 2 is to output the bar chart to show sales amount by store locations. So I'm going to create a worksheet here. When you see that, when you click the worksheet, you see all my tables and the field, my attributes columns are all here, right? And you notice the icons next to the attributes. The icons like that means this variable or attributes is numerical, so it contains numbers only. And others are not numerical, could be text, could be geographic, so depending on its nature. All right, so we're gonna do sales amount by location. So we will put the sales amount in the rows and sales location in the column. And if you want to do the other way, that's fine too. So see, this is a chart, and you don't need to output this one because I asked you to output the screenshot for next few steps. And then the next step is to use the map to show sales amount by state. Excuse me. Okay, so to do that, one thing you can do here is you can change the sheet name. Okay, you can change it to your name, so that for the steps that I want you to show the screenshot, you can put your name here, or you can just rename the sheet here. Okay, and so next one is to use a map function to show the sales by state. So we're gonna create a new sheet here, and what you're gonna do this is you click sales amount. Trying to find my sales amount here, sales amount, and I hold the control key and also click the state altogether. And you can see here, it shows that, oh, we have two measures, one geographic dimension. Okay, so and then when you put your cursor here, you can see that there are some functions you can play with. So I'm going to use this map function here and drag here. You can see I have a map here, and the map shows that the sales amount in each states that they have the operation, and you can change the size of the dot. See, and the dot can become bigger. So the map actually showing the bigger the dot, that means the higher the sales. Okay, so then you can output this screenshot to me and change the sheet name to your own name. So that's a next step, which you need to show me the screenshot. And next one is to show sales by flower name. And then you need another new worksheet here. Okay, so so again, it's the same thing. You put the sales amount in rows or columns, that's fine. And then the flower name. Okay, so here's the chart, sales by flower. And then if you wanted to change it to the horizontal bar, you can change it like that. Okay, depending on what you like. And then I'll put this one. So the next one is to use the dashboard to share the story. So how do you put all the three charts all together? And Tab has this function, dashboard. So let's create a new dashboard, and you can see that our three sheets are all here. Okay, so we can drag it to the dashboard and to kind of like put them together and share the story. You can analyze. You can kind of like arrange how you wanted to arrange this. Let's see if I wanted to make this a bigger, and I don't know if I can do here. So you can definitely enlarge and make it smaller, something like that. And if you don't like the setup, you can just delete that first and then try again. So if I wanted to like the horizontal one and then put this one here, I can do that as well. Okay, so another cool thing about this is you can use a filter. For example, if I wanted to use this map, the state as a filter, I can click that, and then once I click the California, and it only shows the California sales information by flowers and by location. We only have 2 locations in California, and you can add Arizona as well. So basically you can just play around, and you can use the flower name as a filter as well. Okay, so and just screenshot whatever you have on this dashboard and put it in a Word file and submit it to me.